Hello and welcome to another adventure in TV land. For today's adventure, this is another food-related taste test. I've been doing several of these in the past few months, trying to mix things up. I know some of you out there who've watched my videos regularly don't like these, and I know there are some of you who really do. So I'm just trying to keep things fresh, mix them up. Yeah, so anyway, today we're going to try the Mr. Beast Milk Chocolate Candy Bar. Now this is the last Mr. Beast candy bar that I have not tried. I've tried all the other ones. This is the final one. It is the Milk Chocolate Candy Bar. We've had the regular chocolate candy bar. We've had the one with almonds. We've had the peanut butter one. We've had the one with quinoa. We've had one with sea salt, and I think there was one other one. This is the final one, so maybe sometime after this I'll just do like a real quick talking review, and we'll point out my favorite ones of them. These candy bars are very good overall, the ones I've had. I highly recommend it. They are a little bit more expensive than your typical candy bar of this size. These run about $1 to $1.50 more than your usual candy bar of this size will. But the chocolate is much, much better than usual, unless you're getting chocolate from Germany or actually getting Swiss chocolate or something like that. And because of the limited amount of ingredients and everything, it just tastes better. Alright, so this candy bar, it only has 5 ingredients: cane sugar, organic cocoa butter, organic chocolate liqueur, organic milk, and organic vanilla powder. So there you have it. We'll open this up. Like this, all the Mr. Beast bars. For those of you who've seen all the other videos, there's this huge piece here that says devour, and then there is another smaller piece that says on top share. Kind of wish they had like half of it, or these little pieces that said share. Kind of break it up a little bit better. Anyway, here we go. Tastes a little bit like a plain Hershey's bar, but actually better. It's good chocolate, just good all around. I would actually use these if I was making my own s'mores, just myself. I would buy this candy bar and use this chocolate for the s'mores. So there we got it. Mr. Beast Milk Chocolate Candy Bar. More noms, more prizes, more Beast. QR code there if you're interested in more. It's made in Chicago, so that's kind of neat too, from the state of Illinois. But yeah. If you like good candy, I highly recommend it. 2 thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.